Hey guys, I know it's been a while, so I wanted to give you a quick update while I still have the time. I know summer's almost over and I haven't really done much, but here's an update anyway. I was gonna finish this today. I've been making these mini whales, but the stuffing is not near me right now and I may or may not be too lazy to go get it. So I'm gonna leave it like this for now and come back to it later. But look at this cute mug that I got a while ago. I was supposed to use it for a succulent that I was propagating, but once I planted that into dirt, it died. So, there's that. But here are the whales that I've made so far. I've been thinking about doing a sale. I saw on TikTok there's this one person who sold her art on the lawn, on her own lawn, kind of like a yard sale but with art instead. So I was hoping to do that thing before I go off to college. This is what I have so far. I have more crocheted things somewhere else. They're all bees, and I got some yarn to make ducks, and yeah, that's how this is going. I'm starting to work on a new project that I'm super excited about. I'll show you in the next clip. Okay, before I show you what I've been working on recently, I want to show you all the yarn that I got during Joann's semi-annual sale clearance event. So these are all Red Heart Super Savers, and these are normally like about $4 each, $3 to $4 each, but Joann's was doing this thing where it was 20% off plus free shipping, but I caught it right at the moment where it was 30% off and free shipping. But then also these were all on sale. There's this one. This is a heathered one. I don't know what I'm gonna use this one for, but I don't have gray. This one I use for the ducks all the time. I ran out. I don't have an aggressive. I don't have a yellow that's not aggressive, just like the one I use for my crochet bees. So I got this one. It's a nice neutral yellow. Same with the green. I always have like a dark green, but never a normal green, I guess. And then the same for purple. I only have a dark purple. So this is my new yarn. I'm very excited to use it. Don't know what I'm gonna make yet, but we'll figure that out later. So here's the new project that I've been working on. I recently watched Attack on Titan, so now I'm trying to do those glass paintings that you've probably seen on TikTok. I had to use this glove so that my sweat doesn't get on it, I guess, and this knife that I got from Daiso. Okay, I got too carried away with this project, but this is what I was working on. I recently watched Attack on Titan, and I've been wanting to do these glass paintings. I've done one before, but let me try not to break this. This is how it looks right now. It's still drying. There's a smudge on his nose. We'll ignore that. There's also smudges on his hand. We'll also ignore that too. But this is how it looks when I reverse it. Hopefully it looks decent. This is the first time I'm doing, well, okay, second time, but the first one didn't turn out so good. I'll show you that one right now. Okay, this is the first one. It's Avatar, it's Aang, obviously, Aang, Zuko, and then the dragons. It's not the best. It could be better. The colors aren't even right, but we'll ignore that as well. His nose, we'll ignore. But yeah, hopefully, I think I'm getting better at this. I think my colors are starting to match better. It is cracking right now because I was using a hairdryer to dry it. It's okay, I think. I don't know. If you have any tips on how to do this, please tell me because I'm struggling. This is so much harder than it looks. Here's my second one. It's Levi, again from Attack on Titan because that's the latest thing I've watched. And then I made the background again out of panels that I found on Google Images. It was pretty tough to find them, but I like the ones I chose. I don't know what's happening over there, but that's the majority of the show, so I don't know what I'm gonna work on next. I think I'm gonna do one of Mikasa. If you watch Attack on Titan, please comment down below because I love talking about this show. It's just so good. It's not gonna be one of my videos without a time lapse, so here's a time lapse of me pre-making these sticker packs. I've had these are my first items in my shop, so these aren't as good quality as the stickers that I now make, but they're still fun to make. I think I'm gonna make new sticker packs in the future. Since I'm on break for the summer, I thought I was gonna have a lot of time to work on my small business stuff, but then my main source of traffic, I guess, is from TikTok, and then I got shadow banned, so I'm struggling to keep that alive, basically. Hopefully, I'll get out of that soon. If any of you have been shadow banned before and you know how to get out of it, I guess, please let me know. I'm really sad that I couldn't get to work on as many orders as I'd like, especially that I have the free time now. I think that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, thank you so much. I know a bunch of you probably click off right away. I'm hoping to do another video before I go back to school. We'll see how that works. But thanks for watching.